Assalamu alaikum, dear beloved Hazur. My name is Asim, and it's a pleasure to be here again. And it's my second time being here from 2 years ago. Do you remember me?
Sorry.
Do you remember me?
No, sorry, I don't remember.
My name's Asim.
The young boy then asked a question about seeing the Holy Prophet ﷺ in dreams.
Once this question was asked by the Prophet s.a.w, that how can we see the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ? The answer of the Prophet s.a.w was, it is not written in the Holy Quran that you see the Holy Prophet ﷺ in your dreams. The only thing is, whatever the teachings of Islam are, and whatever he has said, and whatever is in the Holy Quran, you practice on those injunctions and commandments. So this is the main thing. So your target should be that you should try to be a good Muslim, well-behaved Muslim, and follow the teaching of Islam. Don't worry about it that whether you have seen the Holy Prophet ﷺ and how he was. Okay? So, I'll come here.
Jazakallah.
This is for you, not for me. You can take it.
Jazakallah.